Hi, Nick Perdomo from Perdomo Cigars. Here in Esteli, Nicaragua, in one of our draw testing rooms that we're here today. Nothing bothers me more, and I'm sure nothing bothers you more, in a cigar that doesn't draw. So our company made the decision over 15 years ago to draw test every single cigar we make. And what we're going to show you is what draw testing is all about. Basically, it works on drop pressure. And when you look at the machine, you'll see that little weight, that lead weight that goes up and down. And what that is, it works on a mathematical principle and the amount of pressure and suction that a cigar will have. So we have standardized dimensions of cigars that we make, of course, and we also have a jig that we actually put on the draw testing machine to make it standardized. So for example, if it's a Robusto, it's going to have about 27 pounds of pressure, and if it goes to a Toro, it's got about 32 pounds of pressure, and so on and so on. The longer the cigar, the more pressure it's going to need to draw. You'll also see the operator has a pedal on the ground, and what he does is once he inserts the cigar in, he pushes the pedal and it'll tell us the desired amount of drop pressure that the cigar has, so it draws perfectly each and every time. And we have it down to such a fine-tuned way to do it is we can draw test anything from a 28 ring gauge cigar all the way up to our Menso at 70 ring gauge. And these guys here are very experienced. Not only are they former cigar bunchers and rollers, but now they really run the draw testing stations. It's really important for us, and we actually draw test every single cigar we make in both our factories. So draw testing is very essential, not only to us as the manufacturer, but of course it benefits you, the smoker, because you're going every time you smoke a Perdomo cigar, you know it always draws perfectly. So this is Nick Perdomo here in one of our draw testing stations, and I hope you enjoyed this series. Thank you.